What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Quizman, and I'm back with another video, man. In today's video, boy, we landed in Orlando. I got Big Money Avery right here on the side. Peep the drip, matter of fact, look, peep the top. I'm digging the top, you know what I'm saying? My ear's still messed up. This car hit me. I don't know if I got fucking insurance, so I just died. At least y'all see on the camera, but we trying to figure out.
Going around the side, cuz.
Yeah, but they really trying to hit me. But yeah, they can't drive. They about to mess up. Oh, never mind. But so we gotta wait until we get one of them.
What the fuck?
That was the old white man. He's crazy. But we finna get either a bus or an Uber, something. We trying to figure out the transportation now. We finna figure out the transportation now.
Get off the street. I'm scared for your life.
But we like an hour away from the Airbnb. It's really not cold out here. Everybody saying it's cold out here, but I would really get butt naked out here and walk around.
That's
Yeah,
wild.
that's crazy. Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that.
Oh, they got the little girl on my. I thought she on fire.
Oh, man. What daughter is that? What daughter is that? Like, I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy.
Daughter, bro, she probably about to hop in the car. Look at her.
Oh, hey, she might be smart then. But y'all, really, we just kicking it, man. We just waiting here. I'm ready to take these jackets off. Yeah. Once we get to the Airbnb though, everybody is gonna do a public interview on themselves, who they is. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get lit. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, we finna turn up. So I'm saying, if any of y'all on here ain't got no socks on, like the video right now.
If you
I
got
know ain't none of y'all got no socks on. Don't lie to me either. Please don't. Yeah, it's Christmas time. They got no socks on. Hey, man, so like I said, stay tuned to the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to turn on that post notifications. Yeah, sing it. Sing it. You was just singing it. All right, sing it. Huh? She's talking about, yeah, sing that song, man.
About a time you
Stop, bruh. Sing it.
I don't know that song.
So you don't know Rod Wave song?
Actually, it's like a nose bigger than the octopus.
Man. So you play too much,
She said,
bro.
why you doing me like that?
Hey, y'all, look at this. Y'all know we from Cincinnati. We from the trenches, but look.
Ooh, I want one.
Why? Why? If you ain't gonna drink the stuff out of it, you can't get it.
I drink it.
Oh, it's probably some over here on the ground. Bro. Yeah.
How you gonna crack it?
How you gonna crack it? Here, do it right here. You gotta do it slow though. Nah, do it, yeah. Let me see. Nah, I'm too hard, bro. You got my hands dirty. Bite it.
No?
Nah, that's because she threw it on the ground hard. But what if it bounced? Or cut it with this. Or hold it. Nah, you probably gotta hold it. Like, no, I'm saying hold it to where I can. Right here. Let me just sit y'all down real quick.
Ugh.
No, I have to cut my finger off. But yeah, y'all. So y'all said we got stuff down here like that, y'all. So you throw like a punk. There we go. Like, bro, that's how you know we from the hood, y'all. We over here breaking stuff. What's in there? Let's see what's in there, y'all.
Nothing.
Drink it. Why you ain't drink it?
I do it.
Oh,
How was I supposed to drink
You right. Hey, y'all, look at this. Y'all know we from Cincinnati. We from the trenches, but look.
Ooh, I want one.
Why?
Give me one.
Why? If you ain't gonna drink the stuff out of it, you can't get it.
I drink it.
Oh, it's probably some over here on the ground. Bro. Yeah.
Give me one. How you gonna crack it?
How you gonna crack it? Here, do it right here. You gotta do it slow though. Nah, do it, yeah. Let me see. Nah, I'm too hard, bro. You got my hands dirty. Bite it.
No?
Nah, that's because she threw it on the ground hard. But what if it bounced? Or cut it with this. Or hold it. Nah, you probably gotta hold it. Like, no, I'm saying hold it to where I can. Right here. Let me just sit y'all down real quick.
Ugh.
No, I'm about to cut my finger off. But yeah, y'all. So y'all said we got stuff down here like that, y'all. So you throw like a punk. There we go. Like, bro, that's how you know we from the hood, y'all. We over here breaking stuff. What's in there? Let's see what's in there, y'all.
Nothing.
Drink it. Why you ain't drink it?
I threw it.
Oh,
How was I supposed to drink
you right. But yeah, they got the pinks.
What number?
These heat. FaceTime, twin, I'm good. They had crazy ahead. They think they about to try something to me, twin, I'm good. FaceTime, I'm good. They had crazy ahead, twin, I'm good. But they talking about, twin, I'm good. I be right out, I'm good, twin. Hey. Oh, snap. Hey. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you just scared me. Hey, y'all, look at this, y'all. Let me give y'all a little tour.
Furniture? No, they don't have the same.
Do that. Cause I can do that. Hey, that's cool, Quiz. You want Stinky take this one?
Oh, it don't matter.
And then take that one.
Yeah, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's turned.
Oh, wait, you right. I want everybody to be trying to pack up some shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. How y'all bags out.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah, this ours.
All right, bet.
I just realized we don't got the boat. I'm just gonna watch.
That's a little.
I'm being here all the
Unless
time.
you and Stinky want the master room.
Nah, I mean, we can kick it in here.
Bedroom in there. Say no, nigga.
That's what I said, nah, we can kick it in here.
Nah, say no, nigga.
Yeah, that's lit, though. It's definitely lit.
Hey,
Hey, y'all, man, I'm with the fam. We about to eat. We about to eat some food. Watch out, bro. Famous don't float in my vocabulary. That's why he said I'm fake famous. I got 23K. How many followers you got? And I mean today. Yeah. All right, rap and make it sound weird. That's why I ain't playing my vlog no more. He a bot. He talking about mama weird. His mama weird. She looking like a deer. Yeah. He said I love her. Said only when I steer, cause I've been driving, sliding. I've been driving, sliding. See man near. He touching my camera. He acting real weird. Yeah. He playing this game. Honestly, for real, that's my game.
Bro, I'm not been playing the game.
Oh, well, he watching Minecraft.
No, I'm not.
So he can craft up his mind. Said when I'm gonna post this video when I got time. Ooh, that was hard. Give my props though. That was hard. She said when you gonna post that video? I said when I got time. Cause I've been on the mission, on that grind, making money every day, on time. Yeah.
You look steak. I do wrong.
You said I look what?
Steak.
Steak? You said I look like steak. Hey, you.
I think you look steak.
I look stank?
he said he look like steak.
Yeah, that's what I said, like steak. I'm like, huh?
No, but he look like he's steak.
I look like I stink.
Listen.
Hey, Twin, what you look
That's
like?
him. A beautiful legendary
Moped. Oh, yeah. Y'all in here look lit, though. You know what I'm saying? Look, man. Look.
This this card. And then I found this card.
Yeah, man. I got my food, bro. I got my food, bro. I got my food, man. I'm about to tear this food. Damn. Y'all want some? Nah, y'all can't get none, bro. Y'all want some for real? Nah, y'all can't get none, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want some food? Nah, bro, y'all can't have none. But nah, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. We getting our food and everything right now, the fam. Ooh, this heat, though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Forget it. Forget the picture. It ain't working out, y'all. The picture ain't working out, but I'm still with the guys, man. You know what the hell going on, man. I got Avery in the cut. Martez, or what's up, bro? What you want to be called? Hold on. Oh, I ain't get my food, y'all. Hold on, wait. Yeah, I don't think.